Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to be taking a look at this hurricane spin scrubber that I recently purchased from Amazon. So to give you a little background, I've been using manual scrubbers for cleaning my bathroom tiles and the bathtub, and it's a very time consuming process and also takes a lot of efforts. So I was looking for an option to make things easy, and that's when I found this. So as a part of this video, we'll be first unboxing this, and then we'll see how things get set up, like what are the different attachments that you get with this and how to recharge it. And then towards the end of the video, I'll do a little demo which should show you like how effective this product is. So let's get started. Alright, so let's see what we've got on the box. So it mentions that it's cordless and rechargeable, and then it has interchangeable heads, and a single charge should last up to 60 minutes, and the total extendable length is up to 44 inches. So this is pretty good if you have high tiles in your bathroom, so it'll be easy to clean those as well. Now towards the right of the box, it shows like what all is included. So you get a hurricane spin scrubber, then 3 different scrubbing heads, and then an extension pipe and a AC adapter. So let's quickly unbox this. So this right here is the extension tube. And here's the main head. And then these are the different attachments that you get in the box. So there's one more that I've dropped on the floor. Yeah, so this is the third attachment, and then this is the main head to which you'll be connecting the brush heads. And finally we have the adapter which will be used to charge the device. So let's see how we can attach all of these things together. And before we start setting up the things together, here's the manual that you get along with the product. So it's got the product information, the handle assembly instructions, and even the brush head assembly instructions, then some instructions around operating the device, and finally something about the cleaning and charging. So there's one important note here about charging. So the first charge requires 20 hours of charging, 20 hours of continuous charging, but later on charging will take only 8 hours. So when you get this product and you start using it for the first time, so before using it for the first time you should charge it for 20 hours, and then later on it will be an 8-hour charging time. Alright, so setting this up together is pretty simple. So this is the main part of the scrubber, and on top here you have a little port for the adapter. So this is basically how you can plug it in and then connect it to a power supply for charging the thing. So that's about the charging part. And then towards the other end, so this is where you can either connect the scrub head directly, or you can connect the extension bar, and then to the extension bar you can connect the scrubbing head. So that's basically how it works. So for this demo I'm not going to be using this this extension pipe, so I'll just keep this away and directly connect the head part of the scrubber. So the way you do it is you push this back and then it clicks in. Alright, so now we are done with the main assembly or the main setup of our scrubber, and the only part that is left is to connect either one of these 3 brushes to the head of the scrubber. And with respect to the scrubbing heads, you get 3 different kind of brushes. So this one right here can be used for many different purposes, and the next one that we have here is a bit flat. So this is ideal for flat surfaces like the bathroom tiles, etc. And then the last one is a bit sharp in shape and it's a bit smaller. So this one is ideal for hard to reach places like cracks and crevices. So yeah, that's about the brushes. Now let's see how we can connect this. So this is again simple. It's got a notch like thing over here to which you need to match the notches on the brush. And yeah, that's basically it. So now I'm going to leave this for charging, since I've just opened this and it requires a minimum of 20 hours of charging before I start using this product. So I'm going to connect this adapter to the base of the scrubber and then keep it for charging. So for charging it, like I mentioned, there's a DC in at the back of the scrubber. So you basically need to plug in the adapter, and then this light will start glowing, which indicates that the charging process has started. So I'm going to leave it like this for 20 hours and then we'll get to the demo part. Alright, so I'm done with charging the scrubber, and now to use this product, there's a little on off button over here, and once you turn it on, the front head will start spinning. So for this example, I'm going to clean this corner of my bathroom and also the sink, which is in a pretty bad state. So let's see how this thing functions and what kind of results we get with it. So what I've done here is I poured some water over the sink, and then I'm using this Harpic bathroom cleaner, which is a great product for cleaning floors and bathroom things. So yeah, let's get started. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for the tiles down here. So I've poured a little bit of water and then some bathroom cleaner. And then basically we'll start with the scrubbing process. So that's about it for the brushing part. Now I will leave it like this for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse off the liquid that we had poured over here, and then we'll check the results, like how good or bad this product has performed. So here are the results after the floor has dried up. So you can see that the corner that I cleaned is looking pretty decent enough, and on the other side, which was not cleaned, it has some dirt marks still remaining on it. So I think the product has done a good job. Let me show you the sink as well. And here's the sink, which looks pretty clean than what it was earlier. There are some hard water marks which anyway are difficult to clean, so I wouldn't say that the brush will clean those as well, but overall it has done a good job of cleaning stuff, and it reduces your efforts, the manual efforts that you need, and also reduces the time that you would need to clean your bathroom. So I would say that it's a good product to go for if you're looking for an automated bathroom cleaning brush or something. And there's one important thing that I forgot to mention. So after you're done cleaning your bathroom, it's quite important to run the brush under water so that all of the soapy residue and the dirt comes off, and then you can keep the brush aside. So that's about it for this one, guys. If you have any questions about this product, then you can add them in the comments section below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. So thank you again, and do subscribe to my channel.